how to delete WordPress site and start over. So let's say you did a mistake or you did something and you want to restart your WordPress website or just start fresh. So in this video I'm going to explain you exactly that. So guys, before I begin, I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, as you could see over here, currently I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. So the first way is, so this is my Bluehost dashboard. So it's very easy. My sites, if I want to delete a site, come over here and delete the site. That's it, nothing else to do, very simple. The second way is going in cPanel. So for me it's going to be in advanced. So if I click in advanced, so this is my cPanel. All I have to do is go on public HTML. So this is where your website is stored, and then you can delete your website from here. So let's say this is how you can completely delete your website, but let's say you just want to reset your website. So there's a plugin in WordPress, reset. Okay, so as you could see over here, if I see my website, it's very basic and simple, but let's say I want to reset everything. So I've installed this plugin called WP Reset. I click on activate, and then once it's activated, I go over here. So where is my reset? So dismiss. So just find over here, open WP Reset. Once you're over here, click on it, and then you can just type reset. So this is how my website looks right now. So now it's resetting, and now it's reset. So as you could see over here, so now again it's back to normal. So this is the way you can reset, but if you want to delete, you can try the first two methods. And that's it. If you find this valuable, please consider subscribing. And also, if you would like to learn how to create a WordPress website from scratch, or if you would like to learn how you can drive tremendous free traffic to your WordPress website, I've created a free course. The link is down below and it's over here as well, so go and check it out. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.